In today's video, I'm introducing you an amazing outstanding project Rabbit DAO. Our mission, we yearn to blossom as the paramount community of celestial enthusiasts in the vast expanse of the crypto. The cosmic dance with JDI, OneWeb and Iridium, we aspire to weave the ethereal threads of blockchain technology into this space. You can check it out there, all details. Get Rabbit, open radium.io now and you will get Rabbit easily. Open radium.io immediately. The code of the Rabbit is, you can see, you will easily get the Rabbit from here. You can get it on BitGet right now, Coinbase coming soon, Binance coming soon, Kraken Pro coming soon, KuCoin coming soon, Bybit, HTX, Bitfinex coming soon, Gate.io and many more exchanges coming soon. Use Rabbit. We are meme but dream big. Rabbit allocation, foundation 33%, investor airdrop 33%, mining 34% right now. You can join their Telegram group and follow them on their official Twitter. It is an amazing project, guys. You can see it is listed on BitGet. New listing, BitGet Spot, Rich Rabbit, a total $100 giveaway for 10 people. Follow RT and tag 3 people. Listing, you can see their campaign up and you can check it out, their Rabbit USDT price right now. You can see their chart and you can see their pricing, 24-hour change volume, 24-hour high volume, 24-hour low volume, 24-hour volume Rabbit, 24-hour volume Rabbit, 24 volume USDT. You can buy it now from here. You can sell it also from here. It is an outstanding amazing project, guys. You can see all details from here. You can see it is an amazing outstanding project. You can see their B miner, Web3 World B miner and GeoDNet. You can see Hashdog, all this stuff from here. Their services, download, get in touch. You can join their Telegram group and follow them on their official Twitter. You can check it out, all stuff from here. Their Rabbit DAO, you can see all stuff meme but not just a meme. You can check it out. Hello Rabbit, XYZ for business. You can see all stuff. Hello world, all details from here. Also join their Telegram group. You can see we are Rich Rabbit. You can see 575 member right now and 160 is online right now. You can check it out, all stuff. It is an outstanding amazing project. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, kindly subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. We will meet with another exciting video. Till then, bye and take care.